That was better. You didn't hit as hard. What was that?
When I got out, it was like bending to the side like this, and I was trying to get it up. But that didn't work so good.
Alright.
I had so much fun.
Are you going to keep going, or are you done?
What do you want me to do?
I want you to do what you want to do.
I want to keep going.
Alright, keep going.
Practice.
My man. What'd you say?
Practice makes... No, yeah, I can't talk. Practice makes perfect.
Alright. But the dog always lays right in front.
Yeah, I'm glad she knows how to move now.
There you go. Good job. Minka, come here. Remember, when you get to about right here, you're already moving fast enough. You should be compressing the suspension while you're standing up,
Yeah.
and you bounce, and then the front tire comes up and the back tire follows, and you'll go right up and over it.
Got it? The great seed of the... I don't know what it's called.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
I felt like I almost ran you over.
No, you weren't that close. Keep going. We only got a couple more times, and then I gotta finish dinner.
Can you give me some water?
Water? There you go. That was better. You did the bounce right.
But I didn't stay on the bike right.
Well, you made it over it, so
I'm glad there was...
in the woods, nobody else would have seen that.
Yeah.
It's not the prettiest, but you did it, so.
Yeah. And there was a cliff right there. Oh, I lost the cap.
You lost your gas thing?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, we're going to call that a vlog, and
I'm gonna do it. Wait.
we'll go ahead and get this bad boy fixed up here pretty soon, and
Wait, check it. Oh, no, wait.
go riding, hopefully soon.
Don't turn it.
Why?
I'm
What are
being...
you trying to do?
Nothing, just... Lately. Yeah, okay, point the camera towards me. Hi. This is me. Yeah, I'm nothing else to say. Besides the crash lot, yeah.
But what'd you do?
I did it.
And what'd you do when you crashed?
Got right up.
Yep.
Got my head.
You look a little sweaty there, a little bluish, greenish hair boy.
See from the dumb hair green.
Yeah, right on. Alright, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Say deuces.
Deuce.